A call for health care reform in Harrisburg. Today, hundreds from Berks County and all across Pennsylvania are showing lawmakers their support for universal health care coverage. Good evening, I'm Wendy Davis.
And I'm Rob Vaughn. Supporters of single-payer health care coverage say the revolution starts in the Keystone State. A single-payer plan, is being proposed in Harrisburg, and it could have other states soon following the lead.
But critics say this plan isn't going anywhere. WFMZ's Kara Millett has our top story tonight at 5:30.
Health care for all Pennsylvanians, health care for all Americans.
Chants and cheers even breaking out in song. Healthcare reformers are taking on the naysayers.
People are dying, and we can't accept that. Because if we don't do something, it's like we're pulling the trigger.
Supporters of universal health care, like Rosie Skomitz of Berks County, made the trip to Harrisburg in support of House Bill 1660 and Senate Bill 400.
And it's also the most fiscally responsible reform there is, single payers.
The rally was sponsored by the grassroots group Healthcare for All Pennsylvanians, and a report released by the group says the combined savings on employee health care would top $2 billion every year.
We're asking for an economic impact study to prove to people that are not yet on board that these figures are sustainable, that they are correct, and that this will truly work.
Critics of the plan say an economic study is out of the question because it is so far out of the realm of a plan they would support.
It is the Obama government-run health care plan only done on a state level.
Representative Sam Rohr says it's about government control and a plan that would be unaccountable to the people.
If you believe that it's better left to an individual and a patient and reduce government's involvement, then you don't even consider this.
Just down the hall in the Rotunda, supporters argue health care costs are out of control and believe the solution is already on paper.
You are here for the people, for a good cause, for a movement that is going to change this nation for the better. Thank you.
In Harrisburg, Kara Millett, 69 News, Berks Edition.
More than a dozen people took a similar call for health care reform to the streets in Muhlenberg Township. This group gathered for a health care reform rally outside Democratic Congressman Tim Holden's office. The group says it wants to show the congressman that his district wants health care reform, and they want to know where he stands on the issue. More than 50 rallies like this one took place across the country today. The U.S. House and Senate are expected to take up health care reform plans in the coming weeks.